Welcome to the Camtasia chapter. In this video today we will learn about the basics of timeline. This portion is called timeline. This track 1, track 2. The track 1, this includes the video, and track 2 I have import here. This includes the background sound. So I import, just right click over here and click on import media, and then you click any audio and video over here for edit. Now this is the basics of timeline. This is 0.000 and the video is about 1 minute. Here you have seen 1 minute. So I have adjusted the audio and the video on same pace, and if I move the navigation bar, you have seen the video is moving according to the navigation bar. And here is the end of the video. And if you want to add any other video in it, you can also go to import media, then I select any other video in that. So I select, let's suppose this and this video, and hit OK. This is the only audio, so I delete because I need only video. So again import, and here I can select the video. Any other video I can select here, for example WordPress, and this is the video. Now I have selected this video. How I put this video in this? So I put this video alongside with this. So these are the two videos, and this is the total length of the video, 5 minutes 31 seconds. And if I want to delete this video, so how I delete this video? I can select this, then right click and then select on delete. Now the video is deleted. So in this way you can use the timeline of Camtasia. Thanks for watching this video. Other things will be in the next video. Kindly subscribe this channel for more videos like this.